Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how I learned to day trade stocks within 1 year. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, new to the team, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading. So subscribe, join the club. And guys, we just released awesome I Love Stock merch, so make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. It's super cool, and we'll be doing a giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe so you guys get notified for that. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. This is going to be my story, so let's jump into it. Now, on my 18th birthday, I went ahead and I opened up and funded a Robinhood account with about $900. Now, I soon realized how difficult trading was because within 1 week, I turned that $900 into about $15. So I lost a ton of money, but it was one of the best experiences for learning of my trading career. Now this is because I realized trading is very, very difficult and you have to treat it like a job. And I decided to take a step back and realize what went wrong and how I could improve my trading. Now during this time, I consumed a ton of content on YouTube, courses, reading books, and I realized trading is very, very difficult. Now during this education period, people talked about paper trading. Now this is the thing that I can highly recommend all types of traders, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or even expert. Like myself, I find paper trading is a great way to practice strategies, understand market conditions, and honestly just tweak your strategy as the markets, change. I really realized as well that all types of market conditions you're in, so if you're in a bull market, you may have a different strategy than you're in a bear market or a flat market. You're gonna have to tweak your strategy, and in order to understand that type of strategy, I would highly recommend paper trading so you understand the strategy and how to get in and out of positions with ease, and it just builds up your confidence. This is when I soon changed brokers from Robinhood to MooMoo. Now MooMoo is a broker that I still use today. It's awesome. They have paper trading, great charting, and even stock scanning. So during this time, I really focused on developing a strategy that worked well for me. And honestly, you're gonna see people on YouTube have strategies, but what I would highly recommend doing is going ahead and watching every type of trader strategy and pull bits and pieces from everyone. It's the best way to develop your own, because honestly, a strategy that works well for me probably won't work well for you, or your strategy probably won't work well for me. I felt like copying people's trades is very, very difficult, and honestly, if something ever happens to that person, I felt like I would be lost without them, and I didn't want that. I wanted to be very, very independent and develop my own. So honestly, just paper trade as much as you can. I would highly recommend doing this for as long as possible. I personally wish I did this for a year and a half before I even put money in an account, just because I feel like I'd be so farther ahead with my trading because I would understand and I would have the confidence to trade. All right, the second rule and little tip I learned with trading is I don't have to trade. At the end of the day, we're here to make money, and if there's not an opportunity that meets your criteria, you don't have to trade. It's always better to sit on the sidelines and watch what happens than put your money in a risky or a type of trade that you're unfamiliar with and lose money. It's way better to have 100% confidence in a trade than have 50% confidence but possibly make more money. I'm telling you, it's a recipe for disaster to trade stocks you're unfamiliar with and to trade strategies you don't know. So if you're looking to trade and you don't know what to do, sit on the sidelines. I'm telling you, it's always better in the long run to do that. All right, the third rule that I would highly recommend, and the last one that we're going to be talking about, is going to be the $100 rule. This is a little rule and tip that I use. If you can make money with $100, you can make money with $1,000. Now, if you can make money with $1,000, you can make money with $10,000. I realized this because I felt like I needed to have hundreds or thousands of dollars in order to make money. No, you don't need that. If you guys have $100 in your portfolio, you guys can trade with that. If you can make money with $100, you could make money with $1,000. That's the only reason you're not making more money is because of share size, and all the profits you get, reinvest them back into your account so you guys can grow this and build up this snowball effect. where the profits you make today could be used as leverage tomorrow. But honestly, those were the top tips and tricks that I learned during that 1 year period. Now, that goes without saying, I'm still learning, I'm still educating myself. This is a career and you have to treat it like that. You know, in order to be a successful trader, you have to look at doctors, lawyers, engineers. How long does it take a doctor to become a doctor or an engineer to become an engineer? It takes years, if not decades. If you want to be a trader, you have to treat it like that. Trading is not a get rich quick. It's not easy. And honestly, I wish it would have taken me 2 years, 5 years, 10 years to be a successful trader. I feel like I got extremely fortunate learning my strategy, practicing as much as I did, and educating myself as much as I did. Don't get dependent on people or courses. Understand trading and just practice until you find something that works well for you. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below, and we'll make a full video on my day trading setup, my strategy, my mindset. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.